Now we will discuss similarity. Two figures are said to be similar when their shape looks same but their size may not be the same. For example, here you can say that these two triangles are of the same shape but this one is smaller and this one is larger. For another example, I have a toy car in my hand. It is similar to the actual shape of a large car but in size it is much smaller than the real car. So this car is similar to a large car but not congruent. In case of congruency, both the size and the shape are same, and in case of similarity, only the shape is same, size may not be the same. And in case of triangle, how to define similarity? If all the angles of the two triangle are same, then we will call them to be similar. For example, if this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle, if these three angles are same, then we will call these shapes to be similar. What is the effect of similarity on the size of the sides of a triangle? If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides maintain a constant ratio. For example, BC, this is the side opposite to this angle. The angle equal to this is here D. The opposite side of D is EF. So BC divided by EF equal to, if we consider the opposite side of this angle, AC divided by DF. And if we consider the opposite sides of this angle, AB divided by DE. BC and EF, they are corresponding sides. AC and DF are corresponding sides. AB and DE are corresponding sides. Which sides are corresponding side? The side opposite to the equal angles. Opposite to this angle, BC and EF, they are corresponding side. Opposite to this angle, AB and DE, they are corresponding side. Opposite to the same angle B and E, AC and DF, they are corresponding sides. So the thing I said a moment ago, BC divided by EF, AC divided by DF, AB divided by DE, they all are equal. That means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. From here, I can show you an example that frequently come in your O-level exam. For example, you are given here that the size of AB is 5 cm and the size of BC is 10 cm. You are also given that the size of DE is 2 cm. You are asked in the question that what is the size of EF? How to solve it? Here you are given that BC is 10. You need to find EF equals to, you are given the value of AB to be 5 and the value of DE is 2. Therefore, you can calculate EF from here and you find that EF equal to 4 cm. This type of math frequently appear in your O-level exam.